You can start up the car. And now what you're going to do is push down. Or push back first, I guess. Yeah, once you get to the screen, push down. And where you want to go down is to setting. Right? Then after you push right, keep going right until you see this one. Then what you're going to do is hold down this button. You have to hold it down, don't forget. Okay, once you do that, you push down to sketch everything. Push enter. Go up. Select yes. And that's it. And now you want to go back to the original screen. Push back. And and push up or down. Just keep pushing up. Into wherever you want to leave it at. And that's it.